Brethren, once again, I welcome you to Christ Vine Gospel channel. On Facebook, it's Christ Vine Gospel. I believe you like the page. You share, leave a comment. On YouTube, it's Christ Vine TV. Also, I believe you subscribe to the channel. You leave a comment and you share. My name is Prince, or simply Brother Prince. And then so, me wahase me no beche nyame asem. Last week, you share part 1. Now, and then so you be share part 2. Asem ni nyina, and they say, Provocation was Jesus can cause your own enemies to bring you to his presence in order to glorify you. Yesu obetumi ama wankasa watamfo edwa bepie onu awrade anim na onu onyame wa hyew enwonyam ewo watamfo no anim. Em say last week ye can fa ministry no ho because the ministry no ye corporate body ntino eno ho asem ye kan ye ema ye hye asofo no be in crying. Na ene de ye ne ankase ye de beba ya brabom awarem sikasemu ene ade nti ene bra ye nsem rekra. I just want us to read from the book of Mark chapter 10 verse 46 to 52. Mark chapter 10 verse 46. I'm reading from New King James Version. The subtitle says Jesus heals blind Bartimaeus. Now they came to Jericho. As he went out of Jericho with his disciples and a great multitude, blind Bartimaeus, the son of Timaeus, sat by the roadside begging. And when he heard that it was Jesus of Nazareth, he began to cry out and say, Jesus, son of David, have mercy on me. Then many warned him to be quiet. They warned him to be quiet. But he cried out all the more, Son of David, have mercy on me. It is the more no more warning, the more no na also all him. The more he was warned, the more he was shouting. So you could see, say, one warning, anyone who is shouting, they have a positive correlation, they have a positive relationship. So now, sana and every person won't so oye. The more nipa more cool, the more nipa zero, the more no na me person will praise his cosro, worship cosro, bibia cosro. So let's move on. So Jesus stood still and commanded him to be called. Then they called the blind man, saying to him, be of good cheer, rise, he is calling you. It was Yesu jinai, and what can I say, Mumfanomra me. Enti, who emfanomra? Woman shouting it down, woman shutting it down, a town for no. Me was no air one bush ya fool. Woman, sorry, one didn't see a council on side because one day want me in the near fra. And you are one church members, so one more church noon. And you want one casani neighbors. One more neighborhood one. And one casa community in the society, no nation, no free mono. Or more shouting it down, no, rather, one casa, Mumfanomra. Jericho one last week make us say Zacchaeus. Dear copy but Zacchaeus dear a radiant casamon conscience won't see from. Was it Zacchaeus from bra or bonidin? I don't know where they are bonidin because say one more team or born empire or increasing no more they are more shouting it down. What who said none not one brand and quajeda. What who so I recognize it say I was so apply the principles. Yeah, a devil for the children of Isaka said they understood times and seasons, but most of the more shouting it down the radis more casamon fanomra. As my radical and think can also come also more modern echo. Afraid the woman would dinner woman a comfortable west edition or catch it. Mawanin Maubunto yam, a town from the castle, Maubunto yam, na sorry, na all frail. So a radical what I said, Mumfanamrabi. I can want some commotion and Sanaka Modeno echo, but wait dear. One woman so cried the beer can one will say Raddy friend dear, a Radisi woman fanomra dear. And you be baby upon a hotaba, and to one cry and catch it, and to one cry the cancer and Yariada. I won't know. So, and to me, and that may throw dear, when you make bet me a mawa time for Ankasa Aye. And let's move on. Verse 50, and throwing aside his garment, turning to Magu, he rose and came to Jesus. Oh, sorry, yeah. So Jesus answered and said to him, what do you want me to do for you? The blind man said to him, Rabboni, that I may receive my sight. Then Jesus said to him, go your way, your faith has made you well. Immediately he received his sight and followed Jesus on the road. Because want to meet one but what he has said. And now what he said, Nipa Ebufa Nipa ye no busa asiye. Said na dede asiye said one yes to Nazareth Nino. And na etwam no ase ene die it is saa na won so yes to Nazareth Nino etwam nti so wa nye dede a tamfo no beka wa hye eye wo bokro no anso eti kede be pa nti de bia no wo mo so nti wo bokro wo mo so ado wo mo lead we do kwato kwanje nti wo mo mre yanka ne wo deliverance day, wo deliverance hour, wo deliverance ministry no time no. So what you say nanka omo eyo say. Na last week no meka bibi say atamfo mienu a minim omo owiase minim say obi nim bi kan wo dia maybe dia mienu pe. The first otamfo, the first enemy and the last enemy. The first enemy no any otamfo a menu mienu wa ya physical enemy. Ya menu mienu yetimi di yani ehu no. Yanin na wo church num, yanin na wo family num, yanin na wo business num, yanin na wo adwuma mu wo, yanin na wo ba bia wo de ye de hu ya. Sometimes the kra ni ya wo ye no kra kire se wo de wo tai wampa. Wo ya no hwenso wo tai. One no the first enemy. Ya wo san ye physical enemy. And I want the last enemy. And just be a second enemy. Maybe I'm going to say last enemy because I know Bible no kind of 1 Corinthians chapter 15 verse 26. Was say the last enemy. One of the young fire new or your spiritual or your whom a time for young fire new no. If you want a time for yeah, Bible say one the last enemy to be destroyed, you know. Yeah, only a war. A war ba o monkai, a war ba no. Eti last week no me say you were two enemies. Maybe a son of minimum. Now we are dealing with your physical enemies. So we are dealing who almost said your blind Bartimaeus. The enemies you are in a new who almost not your yesu etimi a year the life. Eti and then what the person making you say in the book of Mark chapter 10 verse 46 to 52 you read you know. And no mention blind Bartimaeus nidin. But when you go to the account in the book of Luke there, it's the same story, the same account, but Luke amonidin. Ebi a letter and yebekone ehonso yakohwe asema Luke ono okai. But he mentioned his name as blind Bartimaeus. Enti ene no ehona yewo. Na de me pese me kan nyina ne say blind Bartimaeus Bible say Ogun say what he say Yesu etwa mu no na otiatia mu no na atamfo no so kana no tum eti the more no mo kana no tum the more so na no otiatia mu more so eti ogun say the more they suppress him, the more they shut him down, the more he cries out, the more he voices out. Enti no more no more no so yani de more. Who say there is a positive correlation, positive relationship between Atamfuno shutting down and blind Bartimaeus, the voice no sounding up. Because woman no shouting it down more, and woman so no more. Eti the more no woman de ko na the more no na no so e de ko. Eti aneme wa hasem beka kire wo say enkofo bia sorry a wan kasa wonim. Say the more wo ya ade and the more no so na woman so pese. Woman make sure say wontimi nye ade no. But eneno say woni me be ya adwene a wo prayers no a wo bonu more yiro ho na bonu more because woman so ya wo adwene say empai bon wo ma wo bonu more da. Empai bon wo be ka hye but omoboa wo reverence no wo di ma onyame more no. Woman so ayo ma dwene so woman pene ma wo mfa reverence no ma onyame more. Animguase no woman pe wo no a woman hu say aduru bra Yesu wo be hyew animuonyam. But ya me pese me kan se sankofo ya ankasa no awurade be koso so woman se so ma dwene mfiri ho a Yesu Kristo be cause woman kasa ma woman kasa do be pie ne presence. Obebusa say ebede na ko pie ne presence. Yes. Obetumi aso daye afa wo ho. Na daye no obeso afa ho nenam direction be prophetic or Levitical direction be. No wa from wa catch your brand ni na ne ho so because atamfo yi no. Na omani na wo say Yesu Brand Bartimaeus nentia mu no bedru Yesu anim ama Yesu aka kire wo say mo ankasa mo mfa no mra. No omani na wo ho so. Sana watamfo na obo mpaye tia wo. Watamfo na ka wo nko na nka wa hwe ase no. Saa no no so nani na ne ho so awurade be di bibi be fa ne so. Ama de ode be fa ne so no e the glory ebe brew ebe show animonyam. And son of Obemu said, it was too late. But not the onyam person why no aye. So the father ya soon, or the befa kasachirem, or the befa akwanchirem, and no the onyame me say the person why no obey. Eti the person me kachiro nyina and say, let your prayers be ascended unto the throne of grace. Ma umpai bono frunko so, ma reverence no and need na di mo nyame no. Mrane na wo nyame no wo tena se wo tenasi o se wo kutu o se wo bompa ya ntontom na wo de manyame no ya wo bon samran se ne Brand Bartimaeus was started so wo Yesu mrane no son of David, son of man, son of God. So Jesus Christ of Nazareth eti won so ma wo de no enkosoro sa wo worship no ma no enkosoro wo praise no ma no enkosoro wo fasting no ma no enkosoro o giving no, o tithing no, o offering no, Bible studies no, o respect our woman no, relationship our build the love no, manenkosro, manenka fasting assembly chiro. I quite remember minka asoria that time na me wom about 4 years ago, 5 years ago. Na eniyama miensa bi ekabo mu ba be ne family so UK hapa. Na easy. It wasn't easy for us. Na sabre so fortunately na sorry near ye 3 days fasting. Na 3 days fasting so that year breaky fasting. There was a very powerful program. Na dia bechi Sunday am here breaky fasting. Until Saturday no there was a very powerful program. Saturday no so and I me bagay so the birthday edru ye. I'm say I quite remember saying we 9 years. Na because far on in the nanfofo APA be my wife any ono nkola ni nyina ni nua panyini fa nanfofo do mu PA ye call ye ha ba bi e for North Greenwich ko fa ayi Emirates no na yede wo mukodi agro wie ntina e wo se yede wo mukodi na yekotena ase na me woda aduane no ede ma wo Nando's ti media mani bi say your fasting because minim ne eboboba ne ma kese me ensa eboboba ade anim guase afedie ye nam si wo mo nidi nti me ko asori me ba no hu se na eha no kakra nam si no munidi me ko church aba say we know na me ko asori da me ko asori no ye worship me worship kra no worship me so me obi am ye worship am me ro me mpaboa barefooted cause me otiasefo nanim me fa me worship ni me praises ni agro. But that was the day I could see say me worship nyame ye pa with me fasting. But that was the day the people come share. They suppress me. Oh mama worship. Just me worship the omo come share. Omo come share. The people nyina ye poye na ye huhuhu ebi si wo ma anye ni ye ebi kika o nanso wo ye huhu dodo nanso di ai ne bi kika hwa wonti nyame somase wonti ase asori na abi wo mu no da anumere no aye program no ya Bible mameti ase Paul say se me bodam ma Kristo ma dwum ti ma dwum etima mo that day no church members became share. You see order from above. order from above. See and stop him. Yen come in share. Yeah. Adiachi Sunday, mentimi anko sorry. Sunday na near crap, mentimi anko for frame. Monday, pain. Dan ya mami ensana. Ekeka bo mu na eba. Family no so mo. Shia na we free let free now let free na say deliver total deliverance. And need to see total deliverance. Monday no Saturday no ya come share. Na Sunday no be say me far ho enko church. Kimanko. Tina fie. Shiam Bible. Monday pain na miracles. Because minim di onyame otumi. The same thing applies to blind Bartimaeus. The same thing applies to you. A sorry a womb, society a womb, family a womb. They could do that. But me catch yourself. And don't look at them. Don't look at them. You are dealing with your physical enemy. It is a blind Bartimaeus. Look at the way where you only friend you want to cry the near friend. Look at the way he died with his physical enemies. What in the what in the praises, what in the worship, what in the reverence. And they did daily. It was so sad. You see what is focus on. They will try to bring you down. Ministry no. They will try to bring you down. But stay focused. Now let's come to life application. Life application, baby, here me pa ye aware. And then no contest no ye pemiensa. Jesus Christ, Jesus Christo. Blind Bartimaeus. And I said Pharisee for Sadducees for essence for young fan say nipa wo matwa Blind Bartimaeus wo hia wo mne no okuro mu no. Ye use them as enemies because no one are shouting it down. Contest in so we have Jesus Christ of Nazareth, we have blind Bartimaeus, and then we have the enemies. Adia me person meka nyina ne say aware no a Jesus in the marriage no a ya beka ne say marital Jesus no a wo kwan se wo koso sa marital enemies no aware num atamfo no emma wo mo de wo ba emma wo mo de wo no na wo ye blind Bartimaeus no wo de fa ne se wo na waware egu wo na wanum egu ase wo na COVID-19 dia aware na ba form COVID-19 ama ukunu adwuma sei ama wo yire adwuma sei enu nti COVID-19 ama sabi wo yire kura no ebia wonante basa emma samya de ade kura ben because ayesa aduane chese ekomu ukunu so COVID-19 ama be ma no so agya no nsawie agya no nsem keka agya no sabi ma so nanti because wanante ma so no so didi so enti wo ne blind Bartimaeus no eniama aye blind marriage na aye blind aware no aye blind am aware no ne afra enti aware no Jesus no ya oye marital Jesus no me say owo ho kwan obekoso sa marital enemy no marital Pharisee marital Sadducee marital essence marital Jew for no no matwa blind Bartimaeus no hia no obekoso wo mu ama wo mu de wu marital blind Bartimaeus no abepie wo no marital Jesus no anim asema no ka nyina ani because Bible no ma meti ase say Jesus Christo commandé was a monfa no embra monfra no mame eya wo mu mienu blind Bartimaeus ani Zacchaeus Jericho ho na Yesu ko faaye Zacchaeus ko fudua ono de Yesu boni di was Zacchaeus from bra yentem ne si from bra wankasa monfra no mame wankasa monfa no mra na ye den na blind Bartimaeus de wono de awurade nim didin enso wo say monfra no mra na omo ankasa fra no baaye wo monfra no kra wo mo se ka wakoma to yem ma obonto yem na ofra wo Yesu so de so ofra na wo encounter the presence ha. The most important thing is to encounter his presence. It is our encounter the presence dear the way you came to encounter his presence, yet Sakwana na Befaswako. If we say, Wono woye Obia, or you onyame bia, or ya wonhu bia, or ya Christo bia, or bia the one more, open the bed encounter. Said you was no Sarah Bakono Sada. There should be something, miracle should happen in your life. There should be deliverance, there should be healing, there should be anointing, there should be love, there should be favor, wisdom, knowledge, nipa, fruitfulness. And it's a woman say blind Bartimaeus, brand or fraudia, and you're not for who say blind Bartimaeus, and then one casano, and the salvation day, and the deliverance day, and the miracle hour. And then blind Bartimaeus who say, yes, I'm a child of Issachar. And then the same who say, yes, you come in. That was the time for me to raise up my voice, to increase my fasting, to increase my prayers, to increase my Bible studies, to increase my worship, to increase my giving, to increase my respectfulness, to increase my relationship, to increase my worship. And the sister Noah will ba asoria. What will say? Kaninanka woyedin enade ne wo kasa bebre enade kasa ye ten wa wonni problem a wonu aba no okom wonni na oneti asori num oni no family num wonni na waresem no niema a wo kom enti enyina ne wo kom no so emfa mboko no emfa nsere no enyina ne wo kom no mu emfa eninani so ho na oba asori a ebia num bia bebo bia no obeti asimo esu kanina unim se wonte saa Oba sorry adwuma bi a yemfa nhye ne nsakura no a won se wokoye wokuru so wabanya me fie wonua no wokuru se wotena fie a ebia stress bekumu wo ye depress enti wo bebanya me fie e nyame fie die oje wo ho ayaresa wo na afei adan wo banya me fie na de wo ye wo ka ho asem wonu se wo oluku strange wo ye niam bi a eye unusual Aden na won for kwan bi so fam pai bon ta na chi won for kwan bi so na won men na won ne starting chanyam yasem enhye nu kran empeja no na momu wa ye wadwene se wo be mo ko wo be sere me se wo na wo be sere me se wo na ade be kwa pie Yesu anim no hye na ni monyam wo show me na ni monyam a wo wali bewu e se ni monyam ne ani wo they don't move positively they move they have negative relationship. We kwosro we ba from a we kwosro eti de mpese me kan se animuonyam no obagie animuonyam no de amano na wo no anuguase ato eti gyae wo ye no wo nya ne pe no se wo kokan na sam akira wo sofui okokan na sam akira osempakani ena na de odi agina pop so e do wo kan wodi na number bi aka enso sister yasem ya na woka adan ya de sere no to no kwa bra yasem ye to no kwa na wodi ya basa eti dia me pese me kan say marital Jesus will cause you marital enemy in the ministry in the church in the house in the nation in the country in the community in the neighborhood Obekosu wankasa ama wodi Martha Bartimaeus no what ushered into his presence na one man marital glory marital crown na show ani wo sa ana wunu ya nisika sima basa financial nisika sima basa wunim senye sana na niamate COVID-19 ba ye abama sikase bibia ye basa eti ade na wonu ya no wonu se wo bompa ye wo ya akomche wo de sire no wo sire no ene de mo hwede waye wafon wa mo hwede waye wa ya akomche na rade be ya nko nye na be hu onua wati se onua no bi esere because sikase ma ye basa de wo ye no na me encourage you say yire hu na ye no more empire na wobo akomchi na wo Bible study bibia wo bia ye no program bia fa ho hyemu mo said ye beya wo financial Jesus be ko so sa wo financial enemies no to bring more and now we have financial batimios or financial blind batimios no. Now one financial Jesus no. One more financial crown, financial glory. As some men no can any because the financial glory is waiting for you. Yes, to oba become oba. A kaka krabi. Obiamen pa banka se urade woche. One chai. Niema ka echi medi pa bet nyankopon de bibia ne won mo a eka echi ma no. Eti wonua enne me pese wunya awrehyiemu gidie bi. Send your beya, ubetumi agina kasa metamfo, me financial enemy. Do not rejoice over me. And ma wani nyeme ho. Na se ma hwia se kura no a mesen so na se meti sumu a, se meti financial darkness mu a, there is a financial light a beto me so. Because Bible say a high share sumnum, na sumno antimi ani so. It is a high share sumne sunantimi ani so dia. And yet, despite the fact that you are still living in financial darkness, so the financial light will show up. Suma me no kani. Enkrata asem. Akwantu mu nkrata asem. Akwantu de ni nyina ne nkrata. Unya nkrata, wo akokoduru. Eti dia me pesa me ka kire wo nyina ne se. Entwa wo nkrata wanya no ho. O British passport ekuta wo American green card or whatever it is ekuta wo. Na wo nua na woni bie no. Wo nua no ya ne refuse wo ya ne yanka wo sa wo boa no mpaibom wonim akwankyere bia wo sa wo de ma no. Na wo fa man na mum eya wo de se wo nua no go through those challenges no. Dia me pesa me ka kire wo nyina ne se ampa. Wo de wo nua no go through. Wo nua no so wo so wo go through ntie wo so wo ye bibi. E wo so wo yire ne ho mpaibom. E wo so wo yire ne ho ne fasting mu. E wo so wo yire ne ho ne reverences mu. E wo so wo yire ne ho ne worship mu ne praises mu ampa. Eno ti na wo nua no. Woni ne ko hia sorry a efo ye niema bia wo hunu se ese niema no ensisi so papa enye ne pe no enye ne pe wa bodama ma Kristo de wo namu de wo famu no but ene se wo di wonu ya ne nkrata asam esre no a I just want to assure you say wonu ya no immigration status no there is immigration Jesus. That is one. Look, memoir was said there is immigration Jesus. It is immigration Jesus no will cause you immigration enemy. We will say what be ne enemy, what be enemy. You what be immigration Pharisee, what be immigration Sadducee, what be immigration Essen, what be immigration around that area. Enemy. What be cause war. Ama wo no wode sa immigration batimios no immigration blind batimios no wonua no an nkrata asem ani afra nkrata asem ayedin into onam wo sresade ya de ne sresade ya yesre no ya de ne nkrata asem yesre no God sa immigration Jesus will cause you immigration enemy to bring that immigration blind batimios into his presence for his immigration crown. Na se enya de nkrata no manwa ubehu benefits a ewom wo kra de na no records na dash na ukoyi free so e do kra ebi kra wo koyi free so udi tu kwa keke what benefits there no benefits attached but on only the end there will be records to public funds you be entitled to all the benefits or be entitled to all the housing bibia et wonu ya wa yire ho nkrata asem enkoyie. Na wo de wo hu se dipa bi siro ampa wo ba na o ma yedi wo fu apa na wo record na da so de make a chiro no se empa ba e wo nyame mu ma wani nyi e wo nyame mu de wo ye bia wo nyame mu bia no so hu na ade ato so fa wo tu awrade so e se wo yankopon waka wo na semu wo se na wo mu a wo mu nim awrade din no wo mu de wo mu ho beto ne so eti hu awrade din na fa wo to ne so sa japade a wo ye wo fia kwantuom na wo nko wo de wo nya sika nko ye ana wo japade aye pasane ade de meka nyina se enipa esro wo ko no na fofo ko hia obi e ka japade a waye wo nko wo ntimi nka bi anya so ye ko hwini nya so ye sansani ebi a wo so wo invest wo abusuanu ko la bi school fees abusuanum nipa bi pesken ebia nunti na ama wo so ne maka achia ma amese ne maka achima nipa bet yesu de bibia nka achima no de me pesa me kan nyina ne se wo project na wuntimi nyeye no ya enti ene ato adwendwene enmanwene fa obi bia ya mpaibo fa obi bia ya konte fa obi bia ya reverence fa obi bia ya worship fa obi bia ya praises woni nipa hia ma wonenye wo awrade mu na de me pesem ka kire wa ne say there is project Jesus project no ni Jesus wo ho project no ni Jesus wo because yes ko pie Jericho. So there was Jesus in Jericho. It is a project no so Jesus wo ho. And what is a project enemies no, project Sadducees no, project Pharisees no, project essence so almost one best project enemies no. If they have decided to mock at you, you just make your project reverences, your project worship, your project praises, your project fasting, your project Bible studies, and let it mananko ma rise. Na awrade be course sa project enemies no ama wo de wu no a enna ne ye fin se wo ye project Bartimaeus project brand Bartimaeus ye ntie fie ye gu ani mo ase na so masi ko ye within a short time ke japade a wa be ye na wo de wo kwakunku de wo ko ye 10 years 15 20 years untimi ma ye hwe yes no me say it is time say so be ma wonti atiamu ne ma bi aduru so se de brand Bartimaeus ye no a me say Yesu Christo u project Jesus no obekọ so u project enemies no ya no mo shout down mo ku ani mo ase no ama wo mo de wu na wo be ye project Bartimaeus no aba be pie wo no project Jesus nanim na ono project Jesus no wa ma project glory etu be hu ba bia sika bi adwuma bi be pie mo obenya sika bi edan bi a wo be kukura si ho na show no nyame ani mo nyam entade papa echese niema papa wo de be ye ho be show no nyame ani mo nyam ena me no nkasa nche asema me pesa me kan nyina ne se medium nim say watamfo mienu first enemy last enemy. The first enemy is our physical enemies that we see them. The last enemy is death that we cannot see, spiritual. And the Bible says death is the last enemy to be destroyed. We are dealing with our first enemies. Yeah, those enemies, we physically see them. It is here dealing with Omodia. And ye na nyahunam ni moja di asamodia. Nasi ye no omo kwano physical dia. And ye mo so hunu say. Now no said your first now city, send your first now si bompire no, and no bompire enko sa direction ni biom. Se first now umpire boni ya 10 minutes and na beko 20. E 20 and na beko 30. Mania man kosro. O fast ni man nkosro. O offering man nkosro. O praises man nkosro. Bibia wo ye dia hyanyam ye no nyam bia ma nkosro. Na enkiki wo mo. Ekiki wo mo a they will try, they will gather together. The Bible say they will gather together like flag, but the God you serve will raise up a standard. The Spirit will raise up a standard. And then I pay a radimedawasi. Me you are come for me to me show the animal yam. A radi was some mametias here. What's in that one now? Woman Nimudino, and the woman who bet to so. A radianimudin. Yanimudin tia de wato so obianso no ayesu wasem so ode ne hoto so a man anim guase. Enuti ene anopay awrade. Wona yaba wanim se obi aware se obi sikasem se obi adwuma sem se obi nkrata sem se obi yedie awrade any area obi a life ene se blindness atiesim ya enti enam situation circumstance nti yede ato ni din owura no nanko de Bartimaeus but the blind account won send ye be qualify no ye man adjective ye the adjective ata ache no send ye be qualify no na nipa eka ye huni yie awrade nanka enye sa ense ye the blind no eka ne ho kra ewom se wo ye blind de ewom se blindness ataki situation ne de nanso no blindness de awrade enye ade a ye pe nanso ye de atage no ameneno woka Bartimaeus kura nipa hu agi so the blind ne kan wo ma be ya blind Bartimaeus enu ti awrade ene anopai obia wodin na mom se circumstance binti se situation binti ye de attack nipa no de ye de abeye the first name and answer the last name amanoa ya no ama abeye ajetavai crosser ana bibia te saa woni din no ho awrade ene anopa me wife free ho ene anopa show ho ni monyam awrade se ni wo tag no din no saa ne so hye ni monyam so awrade wo be tag no edin a ede ni monyam hye ebe ma wu Jesus Christ ene anopa awrade me jai awarefo de ba wani mo COVID-19 wo situation binti awrade womo alusu womo adwuma ma affect womo warrior affect womo families affect womo children affect womo community womo society womo nation ene anopa awrade mempa ya me bo nyina ne se hye ni monyam wasam ka ewo the book of Psalms awrade wo si yemfro ohia dam na abeji enso ne ya hye woni monyam awrade ye hia dam ni ye bompa ye ene anopa wo Jesus Christ Nazareth nundim awrade wo ni ye focus. Lord, you are our focus. Jesus, you are our focus. You are our trust. You are our confidence. You are our hope. And then I'm not paying. But I was see. Me pay me bonina and say, what's some can? What say? What be she any monyam? I'm a nippenina who some power na why. And Nuti Bible says, "Say, you're running now, my Israel and kind. A radon why yo, and Nutina Israel kind. You know what say, and then I'm not paying. Ye wa ye nanope ye kanfo nanope ye show ani monyam nanope ne ye kan nyina ne se ye na gya woso udin ho ehonte na wahenie mra awrade mo wahenie mra mawoma ma wahenie aware mo wahenie mra mawoma sikase mo wahenie mra mawoma awrade mankrata se mo wahenie mra mawoma awrade ma yedie mo wahenie mra mawoma awrade na show udin ani monyam life mo wahenie awrade medawase mempa ya mebo nyina se Mawuma intimate trust woman for woman too so through your spirit. Mawuma intimate huni awrade e woso woman kasa eye. Awaresem sikasem krata asem. Enuti na awrade umane nam adunsifo so umane nam akonfo so yi. Umane nam asofu bi so yi. Uma enenam ba bia enseso omukọ. Mempa ya mebo nyina se awrade it is time to open their eyes, open their minds for them to know what they are supposed to do. Sabi am de me dia ya dance die no mempa ya me bo nyina se awrade minim so aya wie se woni aya wie Christ me da wase so watie me wo Jesus Christ Nazareth ni di na bompai wadonti amen. Before I leave the screen, I think I have to, there are certain people I have to recognize them. And then Anope, Evangelist Zach, God richly bless you. King Carlos, Sister Kunamai, Munina Mechiamo, Sister Selena Bento, Miami Mami 16, Yaman in the war, VCC, Sister Florence Sana, Joasana, and then Mechiami about Florence Edua Holland, Yame Enshirao, Michia Ubibia, Minia Frankenku, Munina, Yame Enshira Ubibia, and then Anope, Yame Kanina, and said Yame Ento Ubia Enkom. Yame enshi ubia animunyam okan Bible say nye Awurade na aye a oma Israel enkan Awurade na aye nti Israel ebeka Awurade da wase ene anofa so Prophet Joe mechiawo baby a wo bia koforudua ene Angel Prince Yame enka obi bia ho bo amobala isu nyina be de Yame edamose bibiri Yame enka obi bia ho ene den so Onyame agya Nyame oba Nyame won konkro din muti amen.